Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use BlueHost coupon code. BlueHost is officially recommended by WordPress. It offers one-click WordPress installation for quick setup. Around the clock, customer support through phone, chat and email ensures help is always available. BlueHost includes a free domain name for the first year with new hosting plans, generally provides good uptime, ensuring your website is accessible most of the time. It offers a range of hosting plans, shared VPS dedicated to grow with your needs. BlueHost comes with free SSL certificate for secure data transfer. It also provides tools for SEO and marketing to help improve your website's visibility. In BlueHost, 30-day money-back guarantee allows you to try the service risk-free. Here on this page, you can see the current BlueHost plans. Now the starting plan is called Basic, and as you can see here, it supports only one website. So if you are just starting out and want to have only one website, you can go with this plan. Now the second plan here is called the Choice Plus plan, and like you can see here, you can host 3 websites on this plan. So if you want to run multiple websites at once, you can go with this plan. Now all you need to do is just select any of these plans which you want and buy. It's as simple as that. So this is how you can use BlueHost coupon code. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.